Hey everybody, welcome back to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel. Here at Bob Hale Realty, we're dedicated to serving our veterans and active duty service members. Today we're breaking down the VA home loan process, step by step. What do you, as a veteran or active duty service member, need to do to go out there and confidently use your VA home loan benefit? By the end of this video, you'll be squared away and know exactly what to do, so when you're ready to buy a home in Augusta, you'll know the process inside and out. But before we dive in, a little housekeeping. If you find this information valuable, and I've earned it, please show your love by clicking like on this video. And consider subscribing to this channel for more insights on serving veterans and active duty military in the Augusta real estate market. Lastly, drop a comment down below with your questions. I personally will make sure they get answered for you. Alright, so you want to use your VA home loan benefit in Augusta, Georgia. What are the steps involved? The very first step is to get a copy of your certificate of eligibility. Let me write that down. COE stands for Certificate of Eligibility. What does that even mean? It's a document that the VA provides to you, the veteran or active duty service member, that proves you're eligible for the VA loan. Now, there are two primary ways to get this document. I'll write this down too. First, you can go to your e-benefits portal. Second, and often much easier, is to get a copy from our preferred VA mortgage lender, or simply contact Bob Hale Realty and we can assist you, typically done instantaneously. Okay, so once you have that form, the next step is crucial. It's going to be to contact Bob Hale Realty. Let us connect you with our preferred VA lender, especially if you have lower credit. We partner with a lender accepting credit scores as low as 500. Yes, that's right. As low as a 500 credit score can get you approved for a VA loan in Augusta with Bob Hale Realty's help. I emphasize that because there are a lot of subtle nuances with VA loans. If you're working with a mortgage originator who specializes in VA loans, like the ones we work with, they'll be able to expertly guide you through the process. So, step number 2, contact your mortgage loan originator. Ask them questions. Make sure they're educating you and that you've got a warm, fuzzy feeling about the originator you're hiring to lock in your VA home loan benefit for you. So, you've talked to the mortgage loan originator. The next step is to submit a loan application. What do you guys think of my handwriting? Pretty bad, right? I guess it's a sign of brilliance, but it's okay. Alright, so contact your mortgage loan originator and submit that loan application. The loan originator is going to look at your credit, they're going to look at your income, and they're going to make sure that you are pre-qualified for the VA loan. Now, in order to do that, you have to send them a documentation request list. This documentation request list is going to include things like W-2s, tax returns, bank statements, pay stubs, a photo ID, and a copy of your DD 214. Good to go. So once you've done all of these steps, you should now be pre-qualified to go out there and purchase a home utilizing your VA home loan benefit. Bob Hale Realty is here to walk you through finding the perfect home. From there, you'll begin shopping for your new home with your dedicated Bob Hale Realty real estate professional. You'll look at homes. You'll identify a home. Make sure that you've talked to the mortgage lender about things like interest rates, what your monthly payment is, what the costs in conjunction with the purchase will be, and that you've properly budgeted for this upcoming home acquisition. Once you do that, once you submit that offer and it's approved by the seller, typically you've got about 30 to 45 days before you, as the veteran, will close on that transaction. And once you do, it's go time. After that, you begin to accumulate and build wealth through the acquisition of real estate utilizing your VA home loan benefits with the help of Bob Hale Realty. So, these are just some basic steps with respect to going out there utilizing your VA home loan benefit. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, show your love by clicking like on this video, dropping a comment with your questions down below, and lastly, subscribing to this channel. Thanks for spending your time with me, and I'm sure we'll be in touch soon.